Alright guys, I just want to do a follow-up on MRSN. So as you guys can see, it's 10:30 a.m. I'm in my thinkorswim charting software, and yesterday I posted a video saying that we were right at a pretty solid breakout level at 7 in the 770 area, and I told you guys to watch for this today, and here we are, Friday morning, and we did break out. Let's go to the one-day chart here. We had a nice little dip in the morning, a little bit of consolidation, and right here at this, breaking this 770 level from the previous day close is a great time to buy. Let's just make a little drawing here to make things more clear. And it's real strong. I mean, it stands strong. Let's check the volume for this thing. The volume is about the same as it was yesterday, 1.2 million, and it's holding up. So even if you guys missed this first spike, you can even go for a dip. I wouldn't buy this dip because there's not much to risk off of. I mean, you could risk off the open, but that risk range is a little bit too much. You can lose too much there. So what I would do is, if you miss this right here, wait for this dip, wait for some green, and then on this dip, once it makes a higher low at this 840, you can buy at 845 and wait for this to go up. Now, unfortunately, it didn't break out again intraday, but it'd still be a solid percent gain. And I just want to do this follow-up video just to show you guys that this is what I'm talking about when I mean you got to watch for the... So yesterday, here's a video that I filmed at when it was at the 770 breakout level. And today, here we are after the breakout. So you guys need to understand every aspect of this trade and why this is so important. And there's so much money to be made on trades like this. So it's up 13% on the day on good volume. And one thing I didn't mention yesterday that I'm trying to mention now is that you guys got to make sure the volume is high on these breakouts, because if the volume isn't high, it may fake out on you and then drop back down and never break out. But with this one, it did. Sorry, drinking some coffee here. It did break out, and this is a trade it's safe. It's not, you're not risking all that much. So for example, you want to wait the first 15 minutes of the day. Hold on one sec. You want to wait the first 15 minutes of the day before making a trade, because sometimes right at 9:30 things are real choppy, the patterns aren't clear, stuff could drop big, and if you miss the trade, that's okay too. You can't make every single trade, you can't make money on every single trade. It's okay to lose and it's okay to miss trades. But so in this case, we had a little drop here, and if you buy this breakout level and it starts to spike, all you got to do is risk off this this previous close and this level right here. And if it drops below this, boom, you stop out. You may break even, you may lose a couple cents a share. And if not, here you are. You get this nice big spike. You know, you just gotta take the meat of the move. You don't gotta take everything. Maybe you get this big spike and it drops back down a little bit and you get scared out. You get out. Whatever. You made your 5%, your 10% today on your money. It's all you need. As long as your gains are bigger than your losses and you're winning around 50% of the time, you're going to make money. You're going to make consistent money. You can build your account slowly. Later on in this channel, I'm going to start with a $500 account. I'm going to be showing you guys how to build from there, how to grow a small account, taking singles, not big, gigantic, huge trades, because that just doesn't work well in this market with these penny stocks. I'm going to show you guys how to build watch lists, how to set your scanners up so you can catch these like I did yesterday before it even broke out. I mean, that's key. You've got to catch these things before they make that big move so that you're ready when it happens. What's going on here? But yeah, I want to make this stuff real clear for you guys. So that'll be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. There's a lot of money to be made, and I want to show you guys how to do this stuff. Please like this video, comment below,